Move! This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly known as Hershey. We are starting this video with a very special Chrysler Imperial. Look at this, all these lines, these details. Wow! This is the ultimate, folks. This is the ultimate. My gosh. My gosh. Look at that bodywork. I love those lines coming down, the dual handles. This is great. Absolutely great. This is a European body. I've got to find out who made the body, because it's got the trafficators and the indicator lights on the side. But look at these details. There's grease zerks on the hinges, and you had 3 hinges, and here it is. And Pourtout, I am guessing, folks. Custom body, oh my gosh. 39 Chrysler Imperial, 8 cylinders. Oh, of course, it's Ralph's car. That is great. He brings nothing but the finest and the most interesting cars out here. I've got to ask him who built the body and what it's all about. Bear with me a minute. Of course, it's French because it's Marshall. What's the story with the custom bodywork? Who did it?
Pourtout, out of Paris.
How is it pronounced?
Pourtout.
Pourtout.
There's the tag right there.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay, I was reading the other side.
Yeah, they're both different. That's how it came.
That's strange. Okay. Interesting. Now that's an Italian design with a French name.
I said, look, like this. No, it's French.
Okay. Because I see Chrysler.
Well, that's what they all said that.
Okay.
Yeah, they all said that.
Because that's the Italian.
Yeah, but they all said that before their whatever.
Gotcha.
Bodybuilders.
Gotcha. And who was this built for? Do you know?
Some rich person in Paris.
Obviously. Sylvie?
Yeah, exactly.
Wonderful. Thanks for coming out. And always great cars. Thank you. This is fantastic. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly known as Hershey. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendar of events, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.